Hey guys, in this video, going to be doing an overview on the Pluto TV application. In my opinion, it is the best free alternative to traditional satellite and cable TV. You might be asking yourself, well, what's the catch? A lot of the times, these free alternatives to traditional live TV sources aren't legal, but Pluto TV, it's totally legal. It's been around for years. They make their money through advertisements that they play while you're watching content. It's just ad breaks like you would typically have with traditional satellite and cable TV. So those of you who are coming from that resource, you'll feel right at home when consuming content on Pluto TV. To get the application, you need to have a streaming player hooked in to your TV or a smart TV, such as Roku, Amazon Fire, Android TV. You can also get the Pluto TV application on your smartphone device, tablets, or going to Pluto TV's website on a web browser in your computer. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can get Pluto TV. I'm on Roku, so I just go down to streaming channels. And then once I'm in the channel store, I go down to search channels, and then I just type in Pluto TV, and the application should show up right there on the side. Go over, click on Pluto TV, and then you can download and install it right here. And it's going to be a little bit different based on what you're using, whether you're in the Android Google Play Store, whether you're in the Amazon Fire TV store, all those different places. You should be able to access that Pluto TV application, download it, and then you should be able to launch it from there. So when we get into Pluto TV, it's going to take you to whatever channel that you were previously left off on, and I was just on a music channel. And then you can open up the TV guide by clicking the select button on your remote a couple of times. And this should be very similar as well to people coming over from traditional satellite and cable television. You get this TV guide. They filter it into different sections. So there's movie channels that you can run through. There's entertainment channels. There's news, binge watch shows, comedy, sports, explore, life and style, tech and geek, kids, Latino, as well as those music stations. And there's hundreds of different options that you can scroll through. It's not a bad idea to create an account so that you can favorite the channels that you like watching, and then it'll be a little bit easier to find those. And they also have on-demand content. If you scroll up to the top, you're going to be on live TV in general, but just go over and click on the on-demand tab. You can scroll down, and then also they have these filtered into a bunch of different on-demand sections as well, different movies and TV shows that you can consume. And like I said right at the top of the video, Pluto TV, it's completely free. It's just simply, there's ad breaks, just like you would get with traditional satellite or cable TV. That's how they make their money. You just don't have to pay a subscription fee on top of that. I really enjoy Pluto TV. They continue to add channels over the course of time. It gets better and better all of the time. I was one of the first people that used Pluto TV way back when it came out a number of years ago. And at that time, it wasn't necessarily the greatest of offerings, but it was free, so people didn't really complain, and it was still decent. But now it's just way better, light years ahead of where it was back then. I highly recommend checking it out if you're looking for free alternatives, especially those that have live cable TV and satellite subscriptions. You're going to feel right at home using this interface, going through your guide, selecting exactly what content that you want to consume, and there's no strings attached. So if you don't end up liking what you're experiencing with Pluto TV, then you don't have to undo a subscription or anything like that. It's just free to try out, and you can check it out for yourself. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.